Welcome to our video guide on managing freeze stock. Efficiently maintaining accurate stock records is crucial for seamless stock takes. In this video, we'll guide you through the freezing, updating, and unfreezing processes using the Freeze Stock module. Let's dive in. To start working with the module, install it on your website via the App Shop. After installation, navigate to the Reports and Freeze Stock tabs. To freeze stock, simply click the Freeze Stock Now button. Utilize the table format data showcasing product details, total quantity, allocated quantity, and available stock. Manage stock and allocated products directly from the Actions column by clicking on the corresponding buttons. Efficiently find products by name using the Quick Search option. Set the display quantity per page for convenient handling of a large number of items. To unfreeze stock when needed, click the Unfreeze Now button. Effortlessly manage your stock with the Freeze Stock module. Whether freezing, updating, or unfreezing, this guide ensures a smooth process for accurate stock management. Stay tuned for more insights into optimizing your website operations. Happy managing!